Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the choices in data science? Don't worry, we will simplify this for you. Welcome to our channel Transform Academy. You're not alone. Data science is booming. Many professionals are entering this exciting field. But how do you choose the right path? Today, we'll guide you through picking a data science specialization that matches your career goals. Start by identifying your interests. Data science is broad. Are you drawn to analytics, machine learning, or data engineering? Understanding your passion is crucial. It leads to better job satisfaction. Next, assess your skills. What do you excel at? Are you great with statistics or coding? Choosing a specialization that aligns with your skills will help you thrive. Skills shape your learning journey in data science. Then, consider job market demand. Research the latest trends in data science. Some areas, like machine learning, are in high demand. This can lead to more job opportunities for you. Balance your passion and market needs. Next, check the curriculum of courses. Look for programs that offer job-relevant skills. A solid curriculum should focus on real-world applications. This hands-on experience is vital for your growth. Connect with industry professionals. Networking is key. Join online forums or local meetups. Ask others about their career paths and specializations. Their insights can help you make informed decisions. As you delve deeper, think long-term. What do you want to achieve in 5 years? Different specializations lead to varied career paths. Keep your long-term goals in mind as you choose. For example, if you love statistics, consider pursuing data analysis. If you enjoy programming, machine learning might be for you. Each choice leads you down a distinct career path. In summary, choosing the right data science specialization requires introspection. Understand your interests. Assess your skills. Research market demand. Investigate course curriculums. Connect with professionals. Don't forget to envision your long-term goals. Want to learn more? Visit our website and enroll in Transform Academy's data science programs using the link in description box below. Like, share and subscribe to our channel for more expert tips.